Hello, my dear students. Today we will talk about material resource planning in tourism. It's very interesting topic. It is a part of production planning and control in tourism industry. Basically, material resource planning is used in automobile and other industries. But in tourism, as you know, our product is intangible product. So here, material resource planning means to calculate to compile all the resources before the starting of production so that we can order a particular resource, particular material at the time of requirement, and we can save cost. That is known as economy of material used in the plant. So here we are treating tourism like a plant of services. It's a plant in which we are producing services. As you know, during lockdown, monuments are closed, there are limited flights, so naturally resources required by every company, by aviation sector, are very less. So these companies, travel companies, they have to plan their resources so that they can use, they can manage in minimum resources. So there are two perspectives of this point. Number one, we can save cost, we can save our investment in the material. Number two, we can control production. So according to production, we have to order material. So let us see what is material requirement planning. It is a computer-based inventory system in which we talk about productivity in tourism. So that is the meaning of material requirement planning. Why it is required? It is required for economy of operations. So we can say that cost optimization can be done by MRP. Then when it is required in the beginning, before you start your production in the company. So suppose when you are launching a tour package, so before the launch of tour package, you have to plan material resources required by you. In hotel, before the production, we have to plan materials required by the hotel or hoteliers, where it is a part of the strategy of the company. And who is supposed to do it? Operational manager. He is a part of middle management. He is supposed to do it. So basically, there are four, you can say, elements or components: raw material procurement, lowest possible material we have to keep in the company so that we can avoid stagnation. Then maintain proper inventory and timely availability of material. So material requirement planning is basically helps you to ensure that you are having lowest possible material and product in the company. So it's very important, it's very significant for the company. There are two factors in MRP. Number one, resource availability. Number two, procurement period. So you have to calculate the resource availability as well as you have to see the supplier when you want to get the material in your travel company. So its basic purpose is resources planning. So there is one more term used in this context, that is ERP. So ERP and MRP, what is the basic difference? ERP is enterprise resources planning and MRP is material resources planning. In MRP, we talk about materials only, we plan about materials only, but ERP is integrated planning, comprehensive planning. So we talk about the whole management of the whole company. So in this topic, in examination, there may be questions like what is MRP, what is the significance of MRP in a travel company, how material resource planning is done in any travel company, and what is ERP, enterprise resources planning, or differentiate MRP and ERP.